Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about derivative. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can apply the chain rule of derivative. So we have y equals to f of capital H. So if we do first derivative of this one, we need to do first derivative f of 8, and later that we need to continue do first derivative of capital 8. So we can apply the formula in here, and that should be like this. So if we do first derivative of secant, we will have secant of cosine x, and we have tan of cosine x. Later that we need to do first derivative of cosine x, and that is about negative sine x. This is the end. Thank you for watching.